Welcome to Scotland, where ancient castles, mysterious lochs, and rugged landscapes meet centuries of fascinating history. From the dramatic Highlands to the lively streets of Edinburgh, Scotland is a land of magic and myth waiting to be explored. If you're drawn to breathtaking landscapes and a rich cultural heritage, Scotland is a place you simply can't miss. Join us on Dream Destination Guide as we take you through the best of Scotland. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel inspiration. For the best experience, plan your trip between May and September. This is when Scotland's weather is at its finest, perfect for hiking, sightseeing, and catching the local festivals, like the Edinburgh Fringe in August. Let's start in Edinburgh, Scotland's historic capital. Explore the mighty Edinburgh Castle, stroll down the Royal Mile, and hike up Arthur's Seat for panoramic views of the city. Venture to the famous Loch Ness, home of the legendary Nessie. Beyond the myth, Loch Ness offers breathtaking scenery that's perfect for a day trip. The Isle of Skye, with its mystical landscapes, is a photographer's paradise. From the fairy pools to the towering Old Man of Storr, this isle feels otherworldly. For nature lovers, Glencoe is an unmissable destination. Its sweeping valleys and towering mountains make it one of Scotland's most beautiful and historic landscapes. The Highlands capture Scotland's wild beauty. Drive through rolling green hills, visit historic castles like Donan, and immerse yourself in the true essence of Scotland. Experience the heart of Scottish culture through its festivals. From the Highland Games, showcasing traditional Scottish sports, to Edinburgh's summer festivals, there's always something to celebrate. And of course, don't leave without tasting Scotland. Try haggis, smoked salmon, and visit a whiskey distillery to sample Scotland's world-famous single malts. From its timeless landscapes to vibrant culture, Scotland is a place that captivates the soul. Ready to experience it for yourself? Subscribe to Dream Destination Guide, like this video, and share it with anyone who loves adventure.